Hello students, welcome to the fourth part of our lesson Fractions. In our previous lessons, we have learned about the addition, subtraction and multiplication of fractions. Now we are going to learn about the division of fractions. Now let's see what we are going to study in this session. So in this session, we are going to learn about the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of fractions. Then division of fractions. Then we will see few word problems related to fractions. And then it is followed by the exercise. Multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of fractions. If the product of two fractions is 1, then one fraction is called the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of the other fraction. Now let's see with an example. Say if I multiply a fraction 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, then these would get cancelled and we will get the product as 1. So thus 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are the reciprocals, or I can say the multiplicative inverse of each other. In simpler words, I can say that reciprocal of a fraction can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Say for example, if I write a fraction 3 by 4, then if I interchange the numerator and denominator, so numerator goes in denominator and denominator goes as numerator. So this is the reciprocal of 3 by 4. So in this way, if we simply interchange the numerator and denominator, we will get the reciprocal of the given fraction. So to find the reciprocal of a fraction, we simply have to interchange the numerators and denominator. Now let's see few facts about reciprocal. Reciprocal of a proper fraction is always an improper fraction and vice versa. That means if I try to find out the reciprocal of an improper fraction, then it will be a proper fraction. Then the reciprocal of any whole number is a unit fraction. Unit fraction, as we have learned, is the fraction which have numerator as 1. For example, reciprocal of 5. So 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. So its reciprocal will become 1 upon 5. So it is a unit fraction. So for any whole number, its reciprocal is a unit fraction. Now reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So when we try to find the reciprocal of 1, it is 1 only. Then there is no reciprocal for 0 because 0 cannot be written in denominator. We can write 0 as a fraction as 0 by 1, but we cannot write 1 by 0. That's why 0 doesn't have any reciprocal. Now let's see how to perform division of given fractions. To perform division of fraction, just multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So if we have two fractions like a by b divided by c by d, then what we have to do, keep the first fraction a by b as it is. Then a by b is as it is and find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So c by d, the reciprocal will become d by c because we simply have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. And then the division sign changes to multiplication sign. So what For division, we have to multiply by the reciprocal of second number. Keep it in mind that the first fraction remains unchanged. It remains as it is. We have to find the reciprocal of second fraction. So in this way, for division, we simply multiply by reciprocal. Now let's understand it with the help of an example. Divide 7 by 9 by 2 by 3. So here 7 by 9 is to be divided by 2 by 3. So let's see how we are going to solve it. 7 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 7 by 9, the first fraction remains as it is. Find the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 2 by 3, its reciprocal will be 3 by 2. And then change the division sign into multiplication sign. Now when we will multiply these two fractions, this 3 can be cancelled by 9. So 3 ones are 3 and 9 divided by 3 gives me 3. So in this way we will cancel it. Multiply the numerator to numerator. So 7 multiplied by 1, numerator is 7. Denominator will be 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. So my answer is 7 by 6. Now since 7 by 6 is an improper fraction, we convert it into mixed fraction. We always write the answer in the lowest term. So if the answer is in improper fraction, we write it as a mixed fraction. So 7 divided by 6, I will get the quotient as 1 and remainder as 1. So 7 by 6 is equals to 1 by 6. Now let's see few word problems based on fraction. So example 1. Vishakha reads a book for 4 by 5 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 10 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So here number of hours in a day is given and she completes the book in 10 days. So total number of hours, to find the total number of hours, we have to multiply. So let's see the solution. In one day, she reads for 4 by 5 hours. Now since it is a mixed fraction, we convert it into improper fraction. For performing any operation, we have to first convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction. So converting this 5 into 1 plus 4 gives me 9 as the numerator and denominator is 5. So 4 by 5 is equals to 9 by 5 hours. Now in 10 days she reads for number of hours in one day multiplied by 10, that is 9 by 5 multiplied by 10. So here we perform the cancellation. 5 and 10 can be cancelled. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So in this way we perform the cancellation. Now in numerator we have 9 into 2, that is 18, and in denominator we have 1 only. So total she reads the book for 18 hours. Thus we can say 18 hours were required by her to read the book. So in this way we can solve this word problem. Let's see the second problem. Example 2. Shikha's age is 2 by 5 of the age of her eldest brother. If her brother's age is 35 years, then how old is Shikha? Now here we have the operator of. In our previous session, we have learned that of means multiplication. So let's solve this problem using multiplication. Now solution. Shikha's age is 2 by 5 of the age of her brother. Now here her brother's age is given as 35 years. Therefore, Shikha's age will be 2 by 5 of 35 years. So this of means multiplication. So I replace this of operator by multiplication sign. So I get 2 by 5 multiplied by 35. Now I can cancel 35 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and 5 sevens are 35. So I can cancel it out. Now in numerator I am left with 2 and 7. So multiply them. I get the answer as 14. So that means Shikha's age is 14 years. Or I can say Shikha is 14 years old. Now let's see one more problem on fractions. Example 3. The product of two numbers is 1 by 5. If one of the numbers is 4 by 5, find the other number. So in this problem, the product of two fractions is given and one of the fraction is given and we have to find the other number. So in all such problems, we have to perform the division. So let's see the solution. Let the other number be x. So it is given x multiplied by 4 by 5 is equals to 1 by 5. Because the product of x and 4 by 5 is 1 by 5. Now this 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction, so I convert it as an improper fraction. So 5 into 1 plus 1 is equals to 6 upon 5. The denominator remains same. So x into 4 by 5 is equals to 6 by 5. Now to find x, we have to divide this product by the first number. So divide 6 by 5 by 4 by 5. So x is equals to 6 by 5 divided by 4 by 5. Now just now we have seen to find the division, we multiply by the reciprocal of second number. So the reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 by 4. So multiply 6 by 5 by the reciprocal 5 by 4. So this 5 gets cancelled with 5, ones are ones are, and 6 and 4 can be cancelled by 2 because both comes in 2's table. So 2 3's are 6. So I can cancel 6 by 2 and similarly when I cancel 4 by 2 I get 2 here. So the answer is 3 into 1 in numerator, that is 3, and 1 into 2 in denominator, that is 2 only. So the answer is 3 by 2. Now again 3 by 2 is an improper fraction, so we convert it into mixed fraction, which is equals to 1 by 2. So I can say the other number is 1 by 2. So in this way, when product of two numbers is given and one of the number is given, then to find other number we have to do the division operation. So children, today we have learned the division of fraction and the word problems based on the multiplication and division of fractions. I hope you can do the given exercise on the basis of knowledge which we have gained in this session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you, children.